Imagine paying more than half of your salary just for rent every month. For many Americans, this is normal. But why is rent in the United States so expensive? One major reason is demand. Cities with good jobs attract millions of people, and when more people want homes than available apartments, rent prices increase quickly. Another reason is limited housing supply. In many cities, strict building rules and slow construction make it difficult to create new housing fast enough. At the same time, property owners increase rent to match the market demand. Rising costs like maintenance, property taxes, and inflation also push rents higher. In addition, many people are choosing to rent instead of buying homes because house prices are already too expensive, which increases competition in the rental market. As a result, rent continues to rise in many parts of the United States. The real question is, will rent ever become affordable again? Or is this the new normal for Americans?
Subscribe for more USA finance and geography facts explained simply.